Hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss a common travel scenario, choosing the best place to stay for 3 night holiday in a tourist destination. We have three options to consider: a spare room in a local person house, a privately rented apartment with full facility, and a standard hotel or motel room. After careful consideration, I have decided that the privately rented apartment with full facility is the best choice for my trip. I believe the apartments are ideal option because two significant advantages. Firstly, it offers unmatched privacy and space. Staying for 3 nights, I really want to feel like I have a proper home bed, not just a single room. I can cook, relax in a spirit, living agree, and come and go with complete autonomy. Secondly, the key phrase is full facility. This typically means having kitchen and potentially a laundry unit. Having a kitchen allows me to be cost effective by preparing some meals myself, which quickly save money over 3 days. Now, let's look why rule out all the two options. Renting a speed room in a local person house. This can be a wonderful cultural experience, but for a short 3 night break. The main drawback is the lack of free privacy. I might feel uncomfortable sharing the common place, and three can be a work pressure to socialize, which I want to avoid on a short, relaxing holiday. A small standard hotel or motel room. The main issue the limited space and the accumulating cost. One hotel provides excellent service like daily housekeeping. A typical room can fill one camp up to 2 or 3 days. More importantly, with the cooking facility, you are focused to eat out for every meal, which significant increase the total value of the trip. In conclusion, while a trip somehow three major their privately rented apartment with full facilities to get the perfect plans for my 3 night stay. It will provide the freedom speed without the awareness or of a speed room or the high cost. A limit speed of a standard hotel. Actually for the best of both worlds. Thank you for listening to my discussion.